Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel. Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel.
Learn general knowledge 5 question answers daily for 21st September 2021. Here I am going to start today's amazing questions. So here is the main page, you can see from there to home page, and here you can find some categories. Here I am clicking on programs and features, and you can see some subcategories. In that I am scrolling down for Fun Zone, where we find daily quiz questions. Here Fun Zone page is open, win prize every day. And also here is the today's quiz. So here it is, quiz time, answer and win new prizes every day. Caption changed. Now running 24 hours daily, starts at 12 a.m. Now I am going to start by clicking on play now button. Daily quiz time. Answer all 5 questions. Enter the lucky draw to win the prize by answering all 5 questions correctly. Chance to win rupees 20,000. That is today's Amazon Pay. So if 5 questions answers are correct, then only there is a chance to enter the lucky draw. Keep that in your mind, those who are participating. And also I am going to start by clicking on start button. So here is the most awaiting, the first question related to the greatest Hollywood hero who is set to act in The King, a film about King Kamehameha, who was the first ruler of the Kingdom of Hawaii. Repeating the question, who is set to act in The King, a film about King Kamehameha, who was the first ruler of the Kingdom of Hawaii. Here the options are Johnny Depp, Robert Downey Jr., Dwayne Johnson, Chris Hemsworth. Whom are you guessing? So who acted as the King Kamehameha in the movie The King? Is there any guesses from you? I am adding some more info about Kamehameha. Kamehameha one, it's his full name in Hawaiian language is Kalani Paya Ohiwo Kalaikini Kiali Ikui Kamehameha wo Ayolani I Kaivi Kapu Kau Ai Ka Liho Liho Kuniakia. It is the full name of the king. He was born on May 8th or 14th, not exactly, May 8th or 14th, year 1819. He was born in May 8th or 14th in 1819, also known as Kamehameha the Great, was the founder and first ruler of the Kingdom of Hawaii. The state of Hawaii gave a statue of him to the National Statuary Hall collection in Washington, D.C. as one of 2 statues it is entitled to install there. The King movie is directed by Robert Zemeckis and cast Dwayne Johnson as King Kamehameha. Do you know Dwayne Johnson has started playing the role of King Kamehameha, and bringing his legend to life has been his dream project since his Hollywood career started in 2001. So as per the question, the correct option is the third one, that is Dwayne Johnson. So Dwayne Johnson set to act in The King as a film about King Kamehameha, who was the first ruler of the Kingdom of Hawaii. So I am clicking on the third option, Dwayne Johnson. So Bangan came here. Now moving to the second question. The Ministry for the Future is a novel set in the near future which describes the disastrous consequences of what? Repeating the question. The Ministry for the Future is a novel set in the near future which describes the disastrous consequences of what? Here the options are nuclear war, gene modification, toxic food, climate change. So, which is your guess? Is it nuclear war or gene modification or toxic food or climate change? I am adding some more info. The Ministry for the Future is a climate fiction novel. Cli-fi it is called. Climate fiction novel by American science fiction writer Kim Stanley Robinson, published in 2020. Set in the near future, the novel follows a subsidiary body established under the Paris Agreement, whose mission is to advocate for the world's future generations for citizens as if their rights are as valid as the present generations. Climate change is established as a threat that compromises the safety and prosperity of the future. So as per the question, the correct option is the fourth one, that is the climate change. The Ministry for the Future is a novel set in the near future which describes the disastrous consequences of climate change. So I am clicking on the fourth option, climate change. Superb, you seem to be a champion, came here, you can see. And moving to the third question, she recorded the second fastest 100 meters by a woman in history by recording a timing of 10.54 at the Prefontaine Classic. Name her, who is she? Who recorded the fastest 100 meters in the history by recording a timing of 10.54 in the Prefontaine Classic. So whom are you guessing? Here the options are Shelley Ann Fraser Price, Shericka Jackson, Dina Asher Smith, Elaine Thompson Hera. Whom are you guessing? I am adding some more info. Elaine Thompson Hera was born on 28th June 1992 in Manchester, Jamaica. She is a Jamaican spinster who competes in the 100 meters and 200 meters. A 5-time Olympic champion, she is the fastest woman alive and the second fastest in history over both distances. In August 2021, competing in the Prefontaine Classic in Eugene, Oregon, Thompson Hera won the 100 meters with a new personal best of 10.54 seconds, the second fastest time in women's history. So as per the question, the correct option is the fourth one, that is Elaine Thompson Hera. So Elaine Thompson Hera recorded the second fastest 100 meters by a woman in history by recording a timing of 10.54 at the Prefontaine Classic. So I am clicking on the fourth option, Elaine Thompson Hera. So superb, you seem to be a champion, came here. Now moving to the fourth question. You can see the beautiful picture here. So which European country is famous for these flowers? Look at these flowers. What are these flowers called? First of all, try to identify these flowers. Then you can guess which European country is famous for these flowers. Here the options are France, Austria, Netherlands, Poland. Which one you are guessing? I am adding some more info. The Netherlands, informally Holland, is a country located in Western Europe with territories in the Caribbean. It is the largest of 4 constituent countries of the Kingdom of Netherlands. In Europe, the Netherlands consists of 12 provinces bordering Germany to the east, Belgium to the south, and the North Sea to the northwest, with maritime borders in the North Sea with those countries and the United Kingdom. Do you know the country's official language? The country's official language is Dutch. And about the image, the tulip is the national flower of the Netherlands. Today, it is famous for its large flower fields and Keukenhof, the largest flower garden in the world, receiving over 1 million visitors a year. So as per the question, the correct option is the third one, that is Netherlands. So Netherlands, that is a European country, is famous for these tulip flowers. So I am clicking on the third option, Netherlands. So that's right, came here. Now moving to the last question, that is fifth one, and the second image. And look at the image, you can easily find who is he in this. And apple symbol, you can guess him. And this famous entrepreneur was associated with the growth of which of these entities in the mid-late 80s and early 90s. So the question is not about the picture, but this entrepreneur was associated with the growth of some company in the mid-late 80s and early 90s. So you have to guess that one. What is that? So I am adding some more info, and before that I am adding the saying the options. Here the options are Pixar, Disney, Universal, Netflix. Which one you are guessing? So here I am adding some more info about this. Pixar Animation Studios is an American computer animation studio known for its critically and commercially successful computer animated feature films. It is based on Emeryville, California, and is a subsidiary of Walt Disney Studios owned by the Walt Disney Company. Pixar began in 1979 as a part of the Lucasfilm Computer Division known as the Graphics Group before its spin-off as a corporation in 1986 with funding from Apple co-founder Steve Jobs. Here you can see the image who became its majority shareholder. So as per the question, the correct option is the first one, that is Pixar. This famous entrepreneur means Steve Jobs was associated with the growth of Pixar in the mid-late 80s and early 90s. So I am clicking on the first option, Pixar. I think you guessed the same. And Bangalore came here. Now moving to the end. So 5 out of 5 questions today's writer. So you can see as appreciation, well done came here. You are eligible for a lucky draw in this contest. Amazon Pay rupees 20,000. You can check the winners list on 22nd September 2021. Keep learning, enhance your rocking and wide skills by watching the video daily, which I provide as information relating to the question. Thank you and have a nice day.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.